Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group Research Output. So our subtheme is Agricultural Waste Management. After reading some research, we chose poultry farm waste disposal as our research output. So this is our reference. Okay, what is poultry farm? Poultry industry is one of the fastest developing markets and produce huge quantities of stable waste. There are exceptional waste control alternatives includes land utility of clutter as natural fertilizer, but it is posing critical environmental pollutant problems such as odors and merchandising of fly and rodent breeding. So a properly organized method is a crucial poultry waste control device for elevating helpful and worthwhile for farming activities.
Okay, for our research, we use three main sources. First, research from NASIF 2017, and second from Zupexova 2019 and Zupkova 2020. Okay, poultry farming is effective developing in the most countries of the world as is the basis of the life support for the many people regardless of their income level. Organic waste that accumulate in the large quantity near poor farming is very harmful for the environment. The use of the poultry manure as a fertilizer can provide a high yield compared to the commercial fertilizer, but for long-term use at a high application rate can reduce pasture productivity due to the nutrients oversupply. Therefore, it is necessary to manage the continuous land use of the poultry manure to minimize the potential impact on the environment. In this aspect, it is relevant to use poultry waste together with the nutrition. Okay, zeolite are important material which a very wide application in agriculture and environment engineering. It has been established that the inclusion of the zeolite in the soil increase the productivity of agriculture crop and increase the efficiency of the nutrient use.
Okay, next is a waste treatment operation includes manure and that poultry treatment for the poultry manure, the later amendments were effectively utilized in poultry home to lessen ammonia emissions. Studies have proven that amendments enhance animal health, growth production, and enhance operating conditions. The broiler and turkey litter may be composted with to, to stabilize the litter right into the highly odorless mess. So this is less difficult to marketplace and additionally enables to kill disease. The litter also can be dried and thermally transformed as a renewable power source. So the liquid manure can be located into an anaerobic digester to supply methane gas, or it is able to be handled in a lagoon. And the utilization, the waste from poultry facility can be applied to the land. If the owners of the poultry houses do not have enough land suitable for application, they should arrange to apply the waste to their neighbor land. So this is the operation of the waste treatment.
To analyze the data collected, the SWOT method was used. According to a study, here would be analysed the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats impacting poultry farming industry. Strength in this study is farmers with farm close to poultry farm use poultry manure regularly for their crop with good return. Poultry manure is more concentrated source of crop nutrient, especially NPK and calcium. Being naturally organic, it does not need composting and can be applied directly to the field from the farm. Poultry manure as organic fertilizer can be improve soil retention and uptake of plant nutrients and also can increase the number and diversity of soil microorganisms. Poultry litter has a good calorific value for power generation by combustion under controlled conditions. The technology for anaerobic conversion of poultry manure to biogas has been developed. For the weakness, this challenge can be high rate of birth or exposed to disease can affect stock and operation, lack of technical knowledge, high rate of mortality, high cost of poultry feed and also supply of poor quality chicks. The opportunity that can obtain is such as can do meat processing and there are opportunities to export the product. And the last is trade. In this trade, it can increase the competition due to the entry of more structured producers. Next, in our discussion, breeders are required to immediately practice livestock waste management holistic toward a sustainable, healthy, and viable livestock system ensure the well-being of society and the environment. Improper disposal of poultry carcasses can be cause water quality problem, especially in areas prone to flooding or where there is a shallow water surface. Methods for disposal of chicken carcasses include burial, cremation, composting, and rendering. Livestock industry sustainability requires a management system taught good farming practice. With the practice of poultry farming healthy, then there must be control over the pollution inside poultry farming activity in the country.
Okay, as a conclusion, the poultry waste management is in the good level. However, its effective action depend on the poultry owner themselves. Okay, as example in Malaysia, we use only a few methods available. Some of the poultry waste disposal method that has been conducted with other country did not develop in Malaysia due to cost and the technology limitation. Better poultry waste management, poultry farm will improve their poultry production quality and affordability. Okay. Lastly, in our opinion, poultry farm must take manage of poultry waste in the farm as they are responsible that must be complete instead of the government requirement. Okay, that's all for from us. Thank you for listening.